Thank you so much. I'm excited to be here in Istanbul.
Great. So what are your impressions about the event so far?
Oh, it's been amazing. I mean, it started out with a beautiful barbecue last night, boat ride the day before. The panels today have been amazing, very insightful, and so I'm excited to be here.
So what did you talk about just now?
So today we talked about hot topics and optimization, specifically around brand studies. Brand studies take measurement to a next level when it comes to our advertisers, and really having tangible evidence of success. So it was really exciting. The panelists were great, and I'm happy to be here.
So what do you think is the most exciting recent trend in brand communications, except for optimization?
Yeah, except for optimization, because that's the hot topic. I mean, I think programmatic is definitely something that, you know, advertisers are going to continue to look into and spend more money in. I think it's really important for cost effectiveness and efficiencies. Obviously, brand safety is another hot topic that will always be at top of mind for everybody. We always want to make sure that we're having our advertisers placed in the right spots where their content is safe. So I think those are the two big things that we're going to have to continue to look for in the next couple of years.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.